Hey guys, Pete here with GIS Solutions, and today I'm going to show you how to merge two raster files into one mosaic file. So as you can see here, I have two separate files, and what we want to do is just merge this thing into one complete file without having this split right down the middle here. So this is a pretty quick and easy process. So if we go up to Raster, Miscellaneous, Merge, and here, we're going to input these two raster files right in here. So we're going to click onto this button here. And these are my only two. So I can select these two. And I could go back. And there's a couple other settings here we could change. For example, the output type. There's float and there's integer. So integer if it's just a, if the file has no decimal, it would just be the integer. Otherwise, it would be the float with the decimal. Now, there's a couple other settings, but for this example, I'm just going to leave it all as a default. And if I go ahead and click Run, it's a pretty quick process. What I didn't show you guys, I'll go back here, is that it's saved to a temporary folder. If I wanted to have the merge file saved somewhere specifically, I would go ahead and designate that. For this example, I'm just doing a temporary file, as you can see right here. I'll bring this all the way down. So I'll turn off these two, and I'll bring up the properties for my merge file, and I'll just change this over to Hillshade just so you can see. So now it's one complete mosaic. Now, one thing I've run into is that sometimes it gets a little grainy here. And if I go into the properties, I can either double click or I can right click and go to properties. If I go to resampling, I change this to cubic, apply, okay. It just smooths it out. So again, this is just combining these two raster files into one mosaic raster file. If you guys have any questions or comments, please put those down below and I'll be sure to answer those. And as always, if you find value in this kind of video, I really do appreciate if you like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.